I'm Jenna Neal, and this is Mom Mania. And today I'm going to talk about the Fawn Pack in the vegan matte leather in the color blush. So the first pocket is pretty large. However, if you pack this bag pretty tight, it does start to buckle or show right here, and so therefore I don't put a lot of stuff in there. I have my lip chap and my hand sanitizer. So easy grabs that I know I just want to grab really quickly, but most of the time I don't actually use that pocket if I keep this pocket pretty full. So in here it's pretty deep, it goes all the way down. I have a pack from the Ipsy purchasing for makeup bags inside there. I love this pack. It's bright, holds my phone cords pretty easily, and it's small enough that it's not one of those large set piece type style bag packs. So it fits nicely in there. So this is my grab all pocket. I will put receipts, cards, keys, phone. These are kind of the two pockets. If I know I need to grab something, which my wallet I might put in here. If I'm going somewhere and I don't want it on my back, I'll either put my wallet in the back or in the front or the inside. So the difference of this is the bag zips halfway down, so it's not like the standard backpack. I appreciate that there's no bottle pockets on the sides. I don't like the bags where the bottles stick out because it changes the shape of the bag. It's not my thing. I was a little concerned with the inside because it's not the same Fawn Design style of the same leather outside and inside. However, I really like the inside. This nylon mesh, it seems to work pretty good. It's sewn well enough that I feel like it's not gaping. It doesn't bother me. I do get a little nervous about ripping the pockets, however, because I am pretty hard on my bags. I'm not a fan of bottle pockets with the elastic. However, I use this one a lot. There's only one in the bag, so if you carry more than one, you wouldn't like it. However, I always carry my 20-ounce water bottle from Starbucks. You can do coffee in it. It's glass. I also carry my Fawn Design wallet. So it is the same style, the vegan leather. I do carry that in one of the front pockets. So you can see the front pocket here. It does fit nicely there. In the other pocket, I have note cards that I keep. They fit, so you can kind of see the size. And I love how the bag, you can open it up, you can see what's in there. It's an easy grab. I packed the same things in this as I did in the Fawn original. I feel like it's smaller and tighter in this bag. However, these are all the same things. So you could probably fit more in the Fawn original than the pack. I also have the Lily Jade pack. This is the medium piece. I love the visual concept of this. So I take this when I'm doing projects that I can see. And then I also have the Jujube large set piece as well to line up with these. I like both of these. I use them together. I can't decide which one I like more, therefore I have both. And then I also have my sunglasses to keep in the bag, but I don't really have much more space unless I wanted to start stacking things up here, but I feel like when you open it, it might topple out. I carry with me a notebook for notes. I also have that in the zipper pocket. I did find it was a little bit harder to transfer all the same items from the original Fawn into the pack. And then this is one feature I really like, is that my laptop, my MacBook Pro, if anything should ever happen to this, I would be devastated, and it's secure in a space behind all of my other items like my drink. I could put something else in this area. It is padded pretty good. However, I don't usually. And I do like that it's a separate compartment. However, I don't know, it's marketed as a diaper bag. I mean, you could use it as a diaper bag. I just don't ever need my laptop when I need my kids. And usually if I'm on my laptop, I have personal time. However, you could use it as a diaper bag. It's just not my style. Maybe it for more of the dad trade-off bags. It might pack a lot if you like the stackable features, but I feel like you would have to use a lot of packs to get it organized in there. I mean, both of them fit horizontal or vertical, and so you can kind of see. But it actually was a great surprise. I really like the way it feels. I like that it does keep me from packing it, overfilling it. I don't like to pack too much stuff because it does get heavy. However, I feel like this one is a lot lighter. The original Fawn, I believe, is 4 pounds unpacked. So it can get really heavy, especially with the laptop. This one, however, I feel does seem a lot lighter. Here's an overview, front looking deep into the side, so the same zip halfway, but now you can see a little bit deeper into the bag with all of my items packed and where I've put them. So I put some cloth diapers in here because just to show for people who actually would use this as a diaper bag. You could start stacking more, but to me, as a cloth diaper mom, it doesn't hold enough for me. So I was able to get the Bum Genius brand, and I have the wipes case, and I have 2 additional stuck in there. This one's double lined, so it is a little bit thicker than the single lined inside. Same diaper, it's just thicker because I put 2 linings in there. But so you can see you can pack 2 right here in the inside, and then maybe you could do 2 more if you needed a lot of diapers. It's just whenever I did the cloth diapering, I'd always need a wet pack. So to me, this would not be my first choice because it's not wipeable. I've ruined a lot of the Petunia Pickle Bottom diaper bags just for that reason, and those are not washable. So this gives you an idea of how wide it is. It still allows me to use these pockets. I can also keep my Fawn Design wallet in the front. But just to give you an idea, if you are somebody who is still in the diapering phase and wanted to see what those diapers looked like in there, they are pretty large, a lot larger than standard diapers.
Yay, thank you for watching my video. I'm Jenna Neal, and I appreciate all the time spent with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe using the notification bell down below. And I look forward to the next video. Thank you so much.